Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be dropping in on Hashing24. It's been about 3 weeks since the last time we were in here. So we're going to be checking out how our contract is doing, how much we have earned, and also if you go through to the end of the video, I've got something a little special for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are at the Hashing24 website, and for many of you that aren't sure about what Hashing24 is, basically Hashing24 is what I would class as a proper cloud mining site, and it is, everyone keeps asking me with it is legit, as I keep being asked. It has been around since 2013. It has weathered many storms that have hit the crypto world, and it is still here and it is still trading. So it's very simple. Basically, you just get yourself a free account, choose your hashing power, pay for it in either crypto or fiat currency, and then basically your order will be activated once they have received your money, and then basically your contract will commence immediately. Okay, so I have done another video on this, which basically went into actually purchasing a contract and all the steps that you go through for that. If you are interested in that, and as you haven't necessarily seen Hashing24 before, what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description to that earlier video. But if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there as well, so you can just get a click straight on it and get watching. So for those of you that are interested, Hashing24 do multiple types of contracts. So basically you've got the 12-month plan, you've got the 18th-month plan, 24-month plan, and 30-month plan. They do come in two different types. You have the 12-month plan, which you would have to pay a fee on, and then you have the 12-month plan, which basically is you don't pay any maintenance fee. Now, something I want to make a correction on. In the last video, I was going on about how the maintenance fee would end up costing you, I think it was about $500 or something if you took the one with the maintenance fee. That is purely, and it was totally my mistake. What it was because basically I was paying in BTC, and obviously it is a cloud mining site. I made the assumption that this number here was in BTC, but in fact it's not, because what I missed was this little $ at the beginning. So in fact, what I was spouting on about, saying that this was going to be 3,000 Satoshis every single day that they would be taking off you, in fact that is a load of rubbish. I was completely wrong. It's not even 1 cent. Over an entire year it works out to be something like $8 or $9. So as you can see, that basically it would pretty much work out, I mean, this is 111 USD without any maintenance fee. This is 107 with a maintenance fee, but your maintenance fee is only about $8 or $9. So really it's going to equate to pretty much the same. The only thing where this non-maintenance fee comes in to its own is if you have what happened to me the other year, whereas I bought a contract and basically Bitcoin was rapidly declining, and then basically what happened was that Hashing24, my contract, was not earning enough to pay for the maintenance fee, so the maintenance fee was having to be taken out of my profit. which you kind of think, well, you know, it does, that's, you know, it's not really a whole lot, but every single day it was being taken and it was whittling away at my profits. But obviously, if you've bought a contract with no maintenance fee, should BTC start rapidly dropping, you're not having to pay anything out. It basically, your contract might come to a grinding halt, but they're not, Hashing24 are not taking anything else from you. But like I said, I just wanted to make that correction on the maintenance fee. So obviously, any of you that just freaked out and thought, oh, I'm not paying, you know, how come we're, you know, I'm not paying that amount of maintenance fee, which is totally understandable. Hands up, completely my fault. So like I say, I just wanted to clear that up. Okay, so let's go and check out the contract. So if we click on contracts, you can see this is the contract I purchased. At the moment, I've only purchased one contract. I am possibly looking at reinvesting my earnings at the moment into another contract, but I'm looking at the price at the moment. What I've earned or what I have in my account needs to get a little higher before I consider doing that. Anyway, so we bought 3 terahashes on the 3rd of March 2021. That will run out in 12 months time on the 3rd of March 2022. Now, 3 weeks ago, we'd earned 43,794 satoshis. You can see now we have earned 77,383. Now, I realize that might not sound a huge amount, but you do have to realize, obviously, this is a real mining site. So what you earn through these sites is totally different as to what places like Dual Mine are telling you that you are earning. Because even though Dual Mine is a cloud mining site, it just sort of, I class it more like a virtual cloud mining site, as opposed to Hashing24 is an actual cloud mining site. And because of that, you can see the difference between what basically is classed as a legit cloud mining site, meaning Hashing24, and then, like I say, a virtual cloud mining site with Dual Mine. Okay, so anyway, let's go and we'll go and check out the statement. So this is the statement for April. You can see so far that obviously we're getting our deposits every single day. We're earning about 1,800 satoshis every single day. And, you know, at the end of the day, it is just, with these sites, it literally is just pay and leave it. Obviously, you want to be dropping into your account every now and again, like I do, just to make sure everything is running smoothly, everything on the screen looks correct. There's not any errors. You've not had anything taken from your account, nothing like that. But but otherwise, other than that, it is literally just, you know, like I say, just pay for your contract and then leave it and let it run for the year. And then at the end of the year, you can withdraw what is in your account. The only thing I will say is that Hashing24 does have a withdrawal fee of 100,000 satoshis. Now that will seem very high to a lot of you, but this is why, you know, I personally will not withdraw until my contract is completely up, because if you make a withdrawal part way through, you've got to pay 100,000 satoshis. Then you want to withdraw the remainder at the end of your contract. You then got to pay another 100,000 satoshis. So for one contract, you've paid out 200,000 satoshis, which seems totally, I just don't see the point. Like I say, they are a legit business. They have been around since 2013. And, you know, and as I said earlier, they have weathered many storms and come out on the other side of them. Okay, so obviously at the beginning of the video, I talked about something a little extra that I had coming up. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is just quickly talking about something which is going to be featuring in an up and coming video. So if you want to stick around for that, that'll be great. If you're interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, then you'll have to just scoot to the end of the video and you'll find them there, or like I said, you can find them in the description. Okay, so let me just start by saying to any of you that have come this far in the video, I just want to say a big thank you for continuing to watch. So basically what I'm going to show you here is just basically a quick outline of what I think could be a very good opportunity for you to build some to basically build a coin which I believe is very much up and coming, but it's still in its early days, so you can get a really good amount of these, put them somewhere, hang on to them, and I truly believe that this coin is going to become big. Anyway, the second part of it is there is also a second coin which has been recently added to auto claim that I think you should definitely be looking at and definitely be building in auto claim. You can withdraw it straight to Faucet Pay, and then Faucet Pay you will be able to direct it straight to your wallet. Okay, so what am I talking about? So firstly, as you can see, we are using the auto faucet here. If we go into dashboard and just go open in a new tab, because that means it won't disrupt what's going on here. So if we dive in here and then we scroll down, you can see that, and I've only been doing this for the last few days. So Bittorrent, I have spoke about this in a recent video. Now this is a coin which I truly believe is up and coming. It is connected with the Tron network, and like I say, it is still at a very, very low price, but because of that, mining it even through something like auto claim is really easy. I've only been using auto claim for the last 3 days. I'm earning 2 full Bitcoin every day that I'm doing it, and I'm not even building up that larger amount of FCTs. I'm not doing a huge amount of short links. Obviously you guys know I'm busy with a lot of other stuff. I come in here and I will build up about 1,000 or so FCTs using by clicking on the short links. That will give you about 4 hours of surfing or mining, however you want to look at it, and that will give you about 2 BitTorrent coins every single day. Now the other thing as well that I was talking about earlier is that Binance has now been added to auto claim, and we did look at Binance recently at the free coin faucet. Now on the free coin faucets, if you remember, for those of you that saw that video, you were only being able to claim like 86 derivatives of Binance coin every hour. On here you can claim around about the same, about 80 derivatives of Binance, but it's every 10 minutes. Now I've just been surfing, I did extra short links giving me extra time, and I still managed to get my 2 BitTorrent coins, but I've also managed to get 2,165 Binance or derivatives of Binance in here. Because if we go back to here, you can see that I am basically claiming 2 coins at one time, and that's the great thing with auto claim, is that when you go in and you select the auto claim option, you can select as many coins that are available as you want. Obviously if you're only collecting say BitTorrent, then you won't need as much time, therefore you won't need as many short links to get that 2 coins every day. But because I'm now pushing on the Binance as well, I'm building up that extra. So I mean, when I say extra, I mean I basically, rather than 1,000, I built up to 1,700. So even still below 2,000 FCT tokens, which is this that I keep referring to, which then basically gives you the time. Then you just click auto and it will just basically mine those coins for you for that set time. At 1,700 tokens, it still gives you, or still gave me, about 4 or 5 hours worth of mining, and in that time I have managed to get my two, like I say, my 2 BitTorrent coins, and also that 2,165 derivatives of Binance coin. Now, like I said, I've already told you with the BitTorrent coin, it is an up and coming coin, and that is basically the reason why I'm pushing for that. But Binance, we all know this coin has gone absolutely massive recently. Last year Binance was at like $30 or so. It's now at $600. It is now classed as the biggest crypto exchange in the world. It is absolutely huge. But the other great thing with this is basically, once you get a good amount of coins, deposit them, put them into Faucet Pay, and then from there you are going to be able to earn even more coins through staking and through various other means, which I am going to tell you about, but in another video. Now, I know I don't want to leave you hanging. Obviously, a lot of you probably know what I'm talking about, but I am going to go into a full video talking about both of these coins, and particularly what you can be doing with the Binance coin to be basically earning 24/7 through staking, but other stuff as well. So once you get them, they'll just earn for you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you found it interesting. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.